Hi everyone. Ahmednagar College was founded by late Reverend Dr. B.P. Hiwale in the year 1947 with the vision, not things but men, to actually provide quality education par excellence. With the same vision, our leader, Principal Dr. R.J. Barnabas Sir, started BBA in the year 2005 and gave the motto, Learning for Leadership. Can you imagine if the world stopped being commercial? There won't be buyers and sellers. Your pizza won't arrive on time. We won't have Netflix, YouTube, and even Instagram. How will we communicate? Well, do you know that it took the pandemic to realize that we cannot do all these things? But even in pandemic, our college actually believes in imparting the quality education, and we know that we can do it. But enough about us. Let us talk about you all and get to know the benefits of doing BBA. Bachelor's of Business Administration, popularly known as BBA, is a 3-year degree program wherein it includes broad-based professional courses as well as the business acumen to involve and inculcate in students. This 3-year program actually involves semester patterns, and in total there are 6 semesters. The first year of BBA includes 2 semesters wherein there are 7 compulsory subjects, while the second year and third year includes semesters wherein there are 4 compulsory subjects and 2 specializations that you can opt from. All in all, there are 36 subjects in total. Apart from this, according to the guidelines given out by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we also inculcate skill-based subjects in the course of BBA department. BBA department actually has this program which is CBCS, Choice-Based Credit System, wherein every subject actually consists of 4 credits. And the internal evaluation is for 1 credit, while the external evaluation is for 3 credits. The department also consists of 1 head of department, 8 teaching staff, and 2 non-teaching staff. The teaching staff here in the department are trained with the G Suite, wherein the lectures are taken through Google Meet, and the notes and clarifications and the doubts, as well as the grading, is done by Google Classroom. We, Department of BBA, are at the apex of giving you the quality education that you all deserve. Even in the pandemic, we are at the beacon of being digitization. This helps the students in exploring the new talents and hidden opportunities. But enough about us. Let us talk about the benefits of how this BBA course will be helping you all in your future prospects. It undoubtedly brings out the hidden potential talent that will be explored in the years to come. Ahmednagar College offers this BBA course as preceding to MBA course. Of course, almost all subjects are always covered in it. There are opportunities of internship, placement for the students who are well-deserving and who wish to employ. This 3-year degree program actually uncovers all the core subjects, also offers the specialization for students who are ready to opt for finance or marketing as their core subject. Our BBA course is ready to give you a 3 years practical, managerial, communication-filled training skills. These skills will incorporate in the years to come. Also will help you in the business decision-making capabilities. Under the guidance of our principal, Dr. R.J. Barnabas Sir, BBA department has gained rigorous acclaim. We have also incorporated the practical exposures wherein you get project-based case studies, you get presentation skills, you also get the industrial visits as well as many such opportunities. This BBA department has 360-degree style leadership qualities, of course, which will be incorporated in you all when you will be a part of the family. This course instills in you all a rigorous employability concept, wherein we make students more employable. I know it is a turmoil in the minds of the students who have just completed their 12th. But do you know what? I just read an advertisement in the Facebook yesterday. The day the world stopped moving forward is the day we all started moving forward. We are here to help you and happy to help you. If this particular video hasn't given you all information, you can click on the other tab in the flyer where you will be filling an inquiry form and we'll get back to you in 24 hours. We are also there on social media sites, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Do join us. Now, it is the time to listen from our head of department, Dr. D.B. More sir, for his joviant and motivational speech. Thank you all.
Hello everyone. A biggest congratulations for completing the 12th standard under the COVID situation of 2019. And welcome to the senior college life. Friend, if you are interested to join the Ahmednagar College, I request and appeal to visit to the BBA department and to see the modern facilities available to the student community. Trust us, if you are joining the college, we will be changing your life for all the student community. I request the student community, if you have any doubt, any queries which are related to the syllabus, which are related to anything, please freely ask and to visit to the BBA department. And my request is to be basically related to the parents. They must visit to the BBA department. Thank you for patiently listening or watching the video.